In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign Airbnb agreement. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the agreement, how to review it, and how to complete it so your check-in goes smoothly. Start by checking whether you even need to sign an agreement. Not every listing requires one, but some hosts do ask for a separate rental agreement before check-in. Open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website, then head to the Messages tab or the Trips tab. Open the booking you're traveling for. If an agreement is required, you'll usually see a clear rental agreement or contract request in your booking details or in the message thread with your host. When you see that request, open the agreement. Tap the link or open the document the host sent. This will usually load in your browser or within a secure e-signature page. Take your time to read the full terms from start to finish. Look closely at house rules, extra fees, deposits, and any policies around smoking, pets, parties, or noise. Airbnb requires hosts to disclose this before you book. So what you see here should align with the listing and your reservation details, including dates, guest count, and price. If something doesn't match what you agreed to at booking, stop and review the relevant section carefully. Next, make sure you understand the agreement. This document typically outlines how the property should be used, what's expected during your stay, and what happens if rules are broken. Double-check check-in and check-out times, parking details, and any instructions about keys or smart locks. Confirm cancellation terms, security deposits, and how damages are handled. Clarity now prevents surprises later. When you're ready, sign the agreement. Scroll to the signature section. Most platforms let you type your name, draw a signature with your finger or mouse, or select a sign or agree button. Use your legal name as it appears on your booking and identification. If there are checkboxes for acknowledgments or initials besides specific clauses, make sure you complete them before continuing. Digital signing is typically done entirely online, and many platforms will timestamp your signature automatically. Finally, submit the agreement. Click Submit, Finish, or Confirm, depending on the system you're using. Wait for the confirmation message to appear. You may also receive a confirmation in your Airbnb messages or email. After submission, your host may approve or release access instructions such as door codes or check-in guides. Keep a copy of the signed agreement for your records and you'll be set for a smooth arrival.